Today, hydraulic systems are used in a wide variety of fields, from machine tools in factories to aviation equipment and ships. Their efficiency directly depends on the condition of the hydraulic oil, which serves as the working medium. Hydraulic oil not only distributes pressure, it also lubricates components, cools parts, protects them from corrosion, and serves as a medium for controlling valves at the same time. One of the most common types of contaminants in hydraulic oils is solid particles, which can result from poor cleaning before filling hydraulic systems, wear of internal components, or damage to seals or filters. Such contaminants pose a serious threat to equipment operation, as they accelerate the wear of friction pairs, damage seals, and cause jamming of precision components. Particles of dirt, metal, or wear products can scratch working surfaces, reduce the effectiveness of the oil, and lead to leaks and accidents. In addition, they contribute to the formation of deposits and an increase in system temperature, which shortens the service life of the oil and the entire hydraulic equipment. That is why it is necessary to ensure the cleanliness of hydraulic fluids both before filling the system and during operation. Specifically to address this issue, GlobeCore has developed a multi-stage filtration technology, which is implemented in the CEFU units with a capacity of up to 4,000 liters per hour. Despite its apparent simplicity, the CEFU is a multifunctional device that enables the filtration of hydraulic oils, as well as their draining, topping up, filling, and transferring from one container to another. The unit can also be used for filling and flushing the hydraulic systems of machine tools and other equipment. The GlobeCore filtration technology involves sequentially pumping the oil through two cartridge filters using a pump. The first provides coarse filtration, while the second ensures fine purification. The filtration fineness of each filter is selected based on the initial condition and the required oil cleanliness class. In general, filters with a filtration fineness of 25, 5, 3, 1, or 0.3 microns can be chosen. If there are small metal particles in the oil, special magnets are added to the filtration system. Operating the CEFU unit does not require any special skills. To begin filtration, you need to first connect the unit to the dirty and clean oil tanks using pipelines with quick-release Chemilock couplings, open the valves, and press the button on the control panel. Servicing the unit is also straightforward. The degree of filter element contamination is monitored instrumentally. When the pressure before the filters reaches 2.5 bars, you need to open the lid, remove the contaminated filter element, and replace it with a new one. Another advantage of the CEFU is that it is mounted on wheels. Thanks to its mobility and compact size, the unit can be easily moved within the workshop from one tank of dirty oil to another. By having such a unit in your facility and filtering hydraulic oils in a timely manner, you increase the reliability of your equipment. Additionally, the amount of dirty oil and financial costs for purchasing new oil are reduced. And in your opinion, what other types of oil could the CEFU unit be used to clean? Share your thoughts in the comments. You can find additional information on our website www.globecore.com.